The Aroon Oscillator is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the TASA chart. Traders can also refer to this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and execute the indicator by clicking on the file on the chart. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. This indicator is a type of oscillator used to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market. The blue line is our bullish and downtrend reversal line, and the brown line is our bearish and downtrend reversal line. When the blue line crosses the brown line upwards, it is considered a bullish reversal, and when the blue line crosses the brown line downwards, it is considered a bearish reversal. When the blue line crosses the brown line towards the block and is above the 70 level, it is recognized as a strong profitable trend, and when the blue line is below the brown line and the brown line is above the 70 level, it is recognized as a strong profitable trend. It is considered a strong bearish trend, and when the two lines overlap and are in the range between 70 and 30, it is regarded as a ranging or non-trending area. In the settings section of this page, there are two options for us. In the first section, you can select the display settings and the indicator's theme or template settings, which have three modes: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template will appear on the chart. The template that is placed on my chart will be. By selecting the dark option, a dark template will be applied to the chart, and by choosing the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. In the next section, you can select the indicator period settings, which are set to 14 by default. The higher this value, the longer-term trends will be displayed, and the lower this value, the shorter-term trends will be displayed, so that the higher this value is, the later the profitable and bearish reversals will be displayed, and the fewer crossovers you will see. For example, here I select the dark template and set the indicator period to 21, and then click Restrict. Here my template has changed to a dark color and my oscillator period has changed to period 21. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to have you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.